Hi, my name is Patricia Still, and we're going to be going over how to use Kahoot. So Kahoot gives you a range of options to choose from, how to do a quiz or, do an interactive lesson. So basically, if you go to Discover, it will show you all of the Kahoots that people have made. Say I'm doing a lesson on Martin Luther King. So it brings up some Kahoots that people have already done. So I can click on one, say I want it to align with the standards that I'm teaching. I can see if it's aligning with what I want the students to know. And then I would just hit play and I can also edit it. Also, if you just wanted to create your own, you would go to home and then create, and then you'll just create a new one, and I've already created one, so we're going to go to that one. Icebreaker. So I can edit it or I can play it. I'm going to edit it. So basically I did a teacher's name. What is your teacher's name? And then I put in the answers and I clicked the one that I wanted to be right. Also, I can add questions, true, false, type and answer, puzzle, poll, slide. I can add a variety of format of questions. But also, I can go to Question Bank and go, what is the teacher's age? And then I can add that because it's already in there. And I would just edit it. Say 20, 21, 5, and 19. And then I would click which one I wanted to be right. So I can also do the time limit, the points awarded, and the answer options that I want to do. And then we can change it if we wanted to. But once we're done, we just hit done, and then you can test it or you can play it now. I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to hit play. And then I can assign it, or I can teach it. So this is really good with COVID right now, you can have an interactive lesson that is not just so boring over the screen. You can just do a Kahoot with it. So I'm going to teach it. It'll pull up the pen, and then you would just give it to the students, and it would let them play it and be an interactive lesson. But that is how you use Kahoot for the classroom.